Welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve assignment. The name of the assignment is Excel 5G Sport Program. I am professional. I have completed all this complete course for many of my students and they got 100 out of 100 marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. So basically this assignment consists of 10 step, 11 step. I can do this assignment step by step and you can done this assignment by watching my video. So we go on our step number 1. Our step number 1 is open the Excel workbook student Excel 5G Sport program download with this project. So I have already downloaded the worksheet that required. So we go on our step number 2. Our step number 2 is display the Valley Park West worksheet. Select the range A1 to J40. Insert a table, then display the table style clearly. In the third row, apply the fourth style or choose another style. So in this step, we first insert a table and display the table style clearly and select the table style. So we go on our step number. So we go on our Excel worksheet. On the Valley Park, in the Insert tab, create a table. In the table gallery, table design, table style gallery. In the third row, apply the fourth style. Third row, fourth style. This one. So our step number 2 is completed. Our step number 3 is sort the table on the campus column using a custom list in the following order: Valley Park West. Add a second level sort by sport group and a third level sort by program name, both in ascending order. So in this step we add sort level. First sort level by campus, second by sport group and third by program name. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in the home tab, in the sort and filter, custom sort, first we select the table. In the sort and filter, in the custom sort, first by campus and customized list by list entities are Valley, Park and West. So add OK and add a second level sort by sport group. Add second level sort by sport group and a third level sort by program name, both in ascending order. Ascending order mean A to Z. So step number 3 is completed. So step number 4 is display the sport season compression worksheet. Copy the range A6 to G7, paste it in cell A1 and then change the title in cell A1 to criteria. Select the range A2 to G3 and then rename as the range as a criteria. So in this step we first display sport season compression worksheet and then copy the range A6 to G7 and paste in cell A1 and change the title to criteria and then select the range A2 to G3 and then name this by change by criteria. So we go on our Excel worksheet, display sport season compression and copy the range A6 to G7. A6 to G7. Here is copy option and paste into A1. Here is paste option and is name as criteria. And select range A2 to G3 and name it by criteria A2 to G3 and name it by criteria. So our step number 4 is completed. Our step number 5 is copy the range A1 to G2 and then paste the copied range in cell A36. Change the title in cell A36 to fall summer sports season. Name the range A36 to G36 as extract and then name the range A7 to G34 database. So in this step we first copy the range A1 to G2 and then paste the copied range in cell A36. So we go on our Excel worksheet, copy range A1 to G2, copy range and paste into A36. A36 is this one. Here is paste option and chart title is fall summer sports season. Chart title is fall summer sports season and name the range A37 to G37 extract G37 as extract and then the name A7 to G34 as database. Select the range A7 to G37 A7 to G34 and named it by database. So step number 5 is completed. So we go on our step number 6. So our step number 6 is create an advanced filter that will place in the exact area this record from the database range in which fall is the primary season and summer is the secondary season. So in this step we create an advanced filter. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in the data table here is advanced filter and copy the another location, click OK. So here our step number 6 is completed. So our step number 7 is display these stipends by group worksheet. Sort the data in ascending order, first by group and then by coach stipend. So by group, sort the data in ascending order in the home tab Here is sort, custom sort. First sort by group. First sort by group and other sort by coaches planning, and both by ascending order. Ascending order mean smallest to largest and A to Z. So as step number 7 is completed. I have done 7 steps of this assignment, and this assignment consists of 11 steps. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video.